Bullish FTX token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.03 and $7.60 by 2030. Market examiners accept FTT could reach $3.13 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2023 is 71 cents. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The designers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto estimate trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the director of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by brokers, for dealers, subsequent to laying out Alameda Exploration, a cryptographic money quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on refined exchanging component for perplexing items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital money. The liberal pioneer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging expenses to noble cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Viable Unselfishness. SBF is a notable player in the digital currency industry with more than 290 Kelvin devotees on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX biological systems is called FTX token, and it very well might be utilized as insurance for Fate's position, to get refunds on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and prospects exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effective amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination devices. It works under the assumption that, when joined with appropriate money management or managing rules, verifiable exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as important indicators of future security costs. It can enormously upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is often used to create momentary exchanging signals utilizing different outlining instruments. Investigators can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Signs of digital currency in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary forms. Utilizing the pivotal pointers recorded beneath, anyone with any interest in specialized examination can analyze the most exorbitant cost, market cap, normal value, the most noteworthy worth, FTX cost estimate, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost gauge, normal directional record. A mark areas of strength for of that measures a pattern's power and energy is the typical directional list, contingent upon the heading of the typical value. The pattern is remembered to have critical directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. FTX token current cost. FTX token is as of now worth 89 cents USD. FTT has moved 1.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,629,738. FTX token is as of now position 211 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $297,480,051 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value forecast 2023. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The FTT cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.34. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.25 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $1.07. FTX token value forecast 2024. In 2024, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $2.24. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the FTT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.97. FTX token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.13 and FTT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.86 and a low of $2.68 in 2025. FTX token value forecast 2026. In the event that FTX token effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2026. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.03, with a base cost of $3.58 and a typical cost of $3.76. FTX token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.65 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.47 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, FTT has a greatest value worth of $4.92. FTX token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.55. On the off chance that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.81. Neglecting to accumulate the help FTT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.37. FTX token value forecast 2029. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.26 and a yearly cost close above $6.71 in 2029. FTX token value forecast 2030. By 2030, FTX token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.16 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.60, averaging out at $7.33. FTX token value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest FTT cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.77 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $8.41. FTT tokens and other cryptos will keep on filling in notoriety, assuming digital currency trades continue to refresh their items to conform to territorial and worldwide regulation. Assuming more institutional financial backers put resources